Nung kasagsagan ng mga summer leagues dito sa bansa, may isang player na talagang nagpahiyaw sa mga basketball fans dito sa Barangay Signal, Taguig City. Dahil laging showtime, mabilis itong naging idolo ng mga kabataan rito.
And I kind of just want to learn more about my roots and where I came from.
Siya ang Filipino-Canadian na si Thomas Reed.
Basketball culture here, I know that it's huge. I just knew they're aggressive. You can't get away with not playing defense here because you'll feel it.
Isa lang daw ang kanyang misyon dito sa Pilipinas.
Hopefully make it to the PBA, that's the goal as of now.
Ngayong gabi, mapapalaban na naman si Thomas at ang kupunan na 5K kicks.